Oh, I feel so euphoric right now. Here's two things to feeling euphoric. Number one, kick your ass. Safely kick your ass in a really great workout. Two, take an appropriate cool down with breathing, meditation, stretching, meditation, and breathing. And eventually you get to this place where it's like, oh my God, I feel such incredible energy, but relaxed, euphoric energy. That's where I'm at right now. And so I do these really tough workouts, but that doesn't mean you have to do what I do. I've got friends who are doing workouts where they can't do anything, much of anything, so they're sitting in a chair. And it's easy, and that's their starting point. That's fine. And there's others with no impact. And I've even got some that are doing no workout right now, but they're just starting with their nutritional requirements. And I've got them on this superfoods nutrition plant-based shake. And then they come to me eventually and they're like, I'm feeling better. I think I'm going to start being more physically active. And then I'll start showing them some different workout programs. So I'm making this video, well, one, to show you how to get this incredible energy of euphoria, that two-step thing I explained in the beginning of this video. Then also to invite you to do these workouts with me, and I'll connect you to the workout that's appropriate for where you are right now and where you want to go and whatever your struggles are that might be giving you a hard time. So just private message me and I'll show you what I've got. If I can help you by just connecting you to the right stuff, I'll do it, okay? And feel free to share this video. I'm sure 100% of everybody that you know would love to have these feelings of euphoria at least once every day, if not multiple times a day, okay? So share and comment below. Add your own wisdom. I'd love to hear what you do to feel euphoric. Even if it's just an orgasm a day, it keeps the doctor away. I don't care what it is. Just something that's healthy, that's good for you. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. So comment with stuff that helps you feel euphoric, okay? And I'll see you soon. And I'll hear from some of you soon. And my website, tombirkenmeyer.com, just as it's always been, just like it's spelled here on social media. Take out the space, all lowercase, tombirkenmeyer.com. And I'll hear from you soon. Ask for some help, and if I can help, I will help. Get your euphoria on.